Today I'm going to show you how to mount the Nest Hello doorbell. So I got a little lucky. So I had put in a 2 gig doorbell, and so I've already pre-drilled the holes a while back and already put in my fasteners. And so now all I have to do is put the screws in. But I want to talk about this for a second with you. So these ones are where I had the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. It's quite a bit larger than what the Nest one's going to be. So the Nest uses the same holes that a standard doorbell uses. Pretty smart. You would think that others would adopt the same thing for their mounting plates. So let's get started. I am going to use so this is a 1/4 inch, and it's included with the kit, the drill bit and the fasteners that you stick in there, the sleeves. And if you're going into wood or older stucco or maybe even siding, you could probably just screw into it without drilling. Well, you could without drilling. If you have a newer home with newer stucco, you'll probably have to use the drill bit to get through it. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to insert my wires into here. Now, since I had the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, I already had these wires connected because mine are pretty short. And I'm going to reuse them on this. So let's put the home on the bottom, which is the little Nest symbol. And got the first one started. Now I'm going to start the second one, and then I'll go back up and tighten the top. Now I'm going to tighten the top in there. So now that we've got that tightened, I am going to tuck my wires as best I can in here so they aren't in here. And then I am going to show you how to connect your wires. So here's these little clips that Nest has given. What you want to do is you push down on it. It's spring loaded, so you push that in like so, and then you just put the wire in. You want to make sure it's about 1/4 inch of copper showing. You see how tight that is? That's not coming off. And then you do the other one, and it doesn't matter which wire goes where. This is low voltage AC, and it doesn't matter. So then you would just clip the wires. You would just unscrew the terminals just a little bit, and then stick these in, cinch them down, and you're good to go. Mine, I'm gonna reuse the wires, so I am going to end up putting screws on these. So it's gonna take me just a little bit longer than what it's gonna take you, unless you happen to be replacing the Nest Video Doorbell as well. And then you probably are running into the same thing I am. Did I say Nest Video? I meant Ring Video Doorbell, excuse me. Big faux pas. Okay, got the first one down. I happened to drop a screw, sorry about that. Now let's get the other one on there. Got that tightened down. Now we're gonna want to make sure the camera's on top, stick it in the little clip, and then we'll push the other one down into the clip. so it's nice and secure. And that's it. It's all finished and working, and we're good to go. I'm going to end up filling in the holes that were left from the Nest Video Pro with some caulk to try to help it disappear. I'll use a brown. So one thing I did fail to mention that I wished I would have said, if you're using the supplied connectors, make sure they're behind the plate, else you're not going to be able to get these to go inside the plate. So just make sure that they're behind. The best scenario is if your wires are long enough that you can just put them onto the doorbell itself without using these. Then you won't have to worry about hiding them so it can fit back there. Anyways, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed my video. Hopefully I've helped you. Thanks for watching. I have a whole host of Ring and Nest videos if you'd like to take a look at them. I'll see you next time.